Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. More last-minute gift ideas, this time smart home gear. Lutron's Caseta line uses a hub to reduce the burden on your home Wi-Fi and increase reliability at the same time. There are smartly designed switches, even plugs for indoors or out, that can be controlled also by an app, the company's Pico remote, or by voice, Alexa, Google, or Siri. The Caseta wireless smart lighting kit sells for about $100. Meanwhile, Wyze is a company that's made a name selling a variety of smart home gear, including cameras at affordable prices. We found the Wyze Video Doorbell V2 to be impressive, and it sells for just $40. On the high end is the $399 plug-in home control panel from Brilliant. It's sleek and smart and features Alexa built in. We'll have more on Brilliant in the weeks to come. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Innovation, sustainability, fearless. Those are some of the words that come to mind when I think of GoSun and founder Patrick Sherwin. It's one of those started in a garage stories and continues on with Patrick and his team finding new ways to harness the power of the sun. Solar ovens, coolers, water filtration, solar rechargeable batteries like the beautifully designed Power 550, solar panels, and even portable tables with solar panel tops. GoSun takes on challenges and innovates fearlessly. The GoSun Chillest portable fridge can be used every day in your house or is at home running on battery power at a campsite. Great for transporting groceries over distances too. And it is a company that has been there to help wherever needed. Learn more about the products and the people behind them at gosun.co.